Here's another trick we can do with this map. Suppose you want to focus just on the red and yellow dots, the ones representing addresses where 2 or more sex offenders live. You want to filter out all these green dots so that you can more easily see the red and yellow ones. That's pretty easy to do. You see this Show Options link right here. Just click that, and you can apply a filter in this case. And let's see, let's set up a filter based on the count column, and let's have the filter filter out all cases except those where count is greater than 1. Okay? And when I apply that, watch what happens down here on the map. I'm going to click this apply button, all the green dots disappear, and we're looking only at the yellow and red dots. So that's a way to kind of simplify the map. Another thing that you can do is, because this is basically Google Maps, you can switch to a satellite view and learn a little bit more about the geography around whatever you're looking at. Here, for example, is a red dot near Searcy Street off of Medical Center Parkway, where 4 registered sex offenders seem to live. And so you might want to know, well, what's going on there? It's not real obvious what that is. We see some roads and so forth, but if I switch to satellite view, by clicking satellite and zoom in a little bit more, you begin to see what this is. It's a trailer park. You could also, and you certainly would want to verify this by actually going there if you were doing this as a reporter. But that kind of explains why there might be 4 people sharing that one address. They're not all crammed into one house necessarily. They're all living in this trailer park, and the trailer park has a single address. But here's something kind of interesting. If you're familiar with Murfreesboro, you know that there is a greenway in Murfreesboro that runs alongside the Stones River, and it's a very popular recreation area in Murfreesboro. Well, this is one of the trailheads on the greenway. And actually, I go here with my kids all the time. This is a particular trailhead where there's the remains of an old dam here on the Stones River, so it creates some waterfalls. And this turns out to, here's the dam right here. This turns out to be a really popular swimming hole in Murfreesboro. And yet here it is this close to a trailer court where 4 sex offenders live, at least at the time of this data. So, that might be something that folks who frequent that area of the Greenway might want to know about. There's a news story waiting to be written right there. So you've learned about 2 things. You've learned about how to switch to the satellite view so you can get a little bit better idea of the geography you're looking at. And you've also learned how to filter the data based on some criteria. By the way, if you want to remove the filter, all you do is go up here and find the clear filter button and press it, and all the data come back. See, the green dots are back now, and you can also click this hide options button if you want to display a little bit more of the map. So just a couple of additional tricks to use with Google Fusion tables.